Alright, let's check out another one and see what kind of stuff you can get with this price range. So this is $3,200, 1 bed, 1 bath. This looks very, very nice and bright. Love the translucent cupboards. Great appliances. Very, very nice. Different angles. This might be your bedroom or living space. Alright, your intercoms. Very nice. Different. Oh, wow. Great washroom. This is totally different from the ones we've seen so far. Great space. Great space. Oh, his and hers closets. Very nice. And this is the elevator. Very, very cool. All right. Oh, this would be the terrace space or rooftop possibly. Or it might be individual, like your own spot. All right. And we have the laundry room. Very, very interesting. Let's see where this is located. This is also in Williamsburg. All right, so it looks like got some very expensive apartments in Williamsburg.
Since this is the first apartment in this video, what would be your rating for this apartment? From 1 to 10. 1 being not so good and 10 being amazing.
Let's check out this next one, which is actually having an open house on Thursday. It is $3,500 a month, 1 bed, 1 bath. And let's check out this neighborhood even before we jump in. So we are also in the Upper East Side. So let's check out and compare with the other one. All right, so great living space. Here's our wonderful layout. All right, we have some brick walls. Very nice. It looks like the light is streaming in from that area. Awesome. We have some laundry as well. Great kitchen. All right, here's your bathroom. And here's the front entrance space and your mailbox area. Very, very nice. Ooh, and we have a rooftop space as well. So that's always nice. All right. Very, very nice. And on the walk score, we have 99 out of 100 and 100 over 100. So this very big price difference, but the space is different and the walk score is also different as well. So this was just posted 1 hour ago and it is a $4,425 a month. Wow. So here we can see what the apartment would look like with things inside. Gives a very nice size comparison, and we only have 3 images. So here is the washroom, the kitchen with the laundry, and here would be the bedroom. So it looks like there's 2 bedrooms. Oh, this is probably, maybe this might be the second bedroom. This looks more like a living room, but all right. Not too many pictures. Oh wow, 100 on the walk score and 100 on the transit score. So that's also probably gonna be why the rent is a lot higher than many others. And you're in the East Village as well. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.